Windows are more than just aesthetic features of your home. They're crucial for energy efficiency, comfort, and security. If you live in Manassas and are wondering whether your windows are due for an upgrade, several warning signs can help you decide. Ignoring aging or damaged windows can lead to increased utility bills, moisture issues, and even safety hazards. Here's a guide to help you recognize when it's time to consider a full window replacement in your Manassas home. Noticeable drafts or air leaks. One of the most obvious signs it's time to replace your windows is the presence of drafts. If you feel a chill near your windows in the winter or a warm breeze in the summer, even when they're shut, your windows are no longer sealing properly. This can lead to excessive HVAC use, resulting in higher energy bills and a less comfortable indoor environment. Homes in Manassas experience both hot summers and chilly winters, making airtight windows essential. Rising energy bills. A spike in your heating or cooling costs is often tied to window inefficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane models or those with broken seals, do a poor job of insulating your home. In Manassas, where seasons fluctuate dramatically, this can place a heavy load on your HVAC system. Replacing windows with energy-efficient options, like double or triple pane glass with low E coatings, can significantly reduce your monthly utility costs. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows stick, jam, or refuse to budge, this could indicate warping, frame deterioration, or balance issues. Not only is this an inconvenience, but it can also compromise your home's security and prevent proper ventilation. Moisture exposure and temperature changes common in Manassas can warp wooden frames and cause hardware to corrode, which is why regular inspection and eventual replacement are important. Condensation between panes. Foggy windows that show condensation between glass panes are a telltale sign of seal failure. When seals break, moisture gets trapped between the panes, eliminating the insulating gas and reducing energy efficiency. If this is happening in your Manassas home, especially during spring and fall when humidity levels fluctuate, it's time for a window replacement. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, water stains, mold, or rotting frames are signs that your windows have suffered structural damage. These issues aren't just unsightly, they can also lead to leaks, drafts, and insect infestations. Manassas homes, particularly those with older wood-framed windows, are prone to decay due to fluctuating moisture and seasonal temperature extremes. Replacing damaged windows helps maintain the integrity of your home and boosts curb appeal. Excessive outside noise. If your windows don't buffer outside noise, like traffic, lawnmowers, or neighbors, as they once did, they might need replacing. Modern insulated windows offer noise-reducing features that can make your home feel more peaceful. This is especially important if you live in a busy part of Manassas or near a major road. Outdated appearance. Curb appeal matters, not just for resale value, but also for your enjoyment of your home. If your windows look old, outdated, or don't match your current design aesthetic, it might be time for a refresh. Many Manassas homeowners choose window replacement to modernize their home's look, improve function, and increase value before listing their property. Final thoughts. Your windows work hard to keep your Manassas home comfortable, efficient, and beautiful. If you're noticing drafts, high energy bills, or signs of damage, it's worth consulting a local window expert to explore your replacement options. Upgrading your windows is an investment that pays off in better comfort, lower utility costs, and enhanced curb appeal, all while protecting what matters most, your home.